Assalamu alaikum. Some formatting shortcut keys we use in MS Excel. Number 1, Control plus Shift plus tilde. It will apply the general format. Control plus Shift plus dollar. It will apply the currency format. Control plus Shift plus percentage. It will apply the percent format. Number 4, Control plus Shift plus power sign. It will apply the scientific format. Number 5, Control plus Shift plus hash. It will apply the date format. Control plus 1 opens the format cells dialog box. And number 7 and the last is Control plus 5. It will apply or remove the strike format. What is the strike format? Strike format is a character format where you can put the line throughout the text or any value in the cell. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for the further videos related to the computer